In this video, I will compare the Aquoxis pressure washer against traditional heavy-duty machines to see if this compact attachment truly delivers professional-grade results. While standard pressure washers are often bulky, expensive, and require a dedicated power source, the Aquoxis frames itself as a high-pressure water jet that turns any standard garden hose into a cleaning powerhouse. The main contrast here is convenience versus raw horsepower. Traditional units might offer more PSI for industrial tasks, but they come with the trade-off of high costs and difficult storage. In comparison, the Aquoxis uses proprietary hydropower technology to instantly eliminate dirt, grime, and stains without the need for bulky equipment. It is designed to be safe for daily use on a variety of surfaces, ranging from delicate car paint to rugged concrete driveways and fences. With over 1,000 verified reviews and a 4.7-star rating, it stands out as a top-tier DIY solution for homeowners who want to save time and money. The standout feature is its versatility. The nozzle includes multiple spray patterns to target different cleaning needs, which is a major win for those who need to switch from blasting a patio to rinsing siding effortlessly. If you are looking for a cost-effective way to get a spotless finish without the hassle of a gas engine, this water-efficient design is the winner for most residential use cases. What do you think about switching to a hose attachment for your spring cleaning? Let me know in the comments below, and do not forget to like and subscribe for more tool reviews.